Waleed, it was so nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet. And it's my first talking to you. That's why I'm also nervous.
Vita?
Do you have any plan today?
Well, it's 9 o'clock at night. I really want to finish up the video. I don't know. Happy belated birthday is what you're trying to say.
His birthday today?
No. Nobody, that guy that's talking in the comments, his birthday was last month.
You meet here or?
Yes, on Pigo.
Okay.
I like your picture you have up, Waleed.
Really?
Yeah, you look studious. You look like a brilliant student, like you're gonna come out with a bunch of A's.
I'm not a good A student. Brilliant.
No?
But
B?
you tell me I look like, so thank you for your compliment. What do you think about this application? It's a free and we can connecting so many person to talk about culture, communication, languages, and that's why I think it's a very good for us. What do you think?
I think this app is a undiscovered gem. I think that this app, there's so many things you can do with it. And people just like the PK, the phone calls, the panels, you can have organized shows if you wanted to. I think this app has the potential to be so great. Really, people just don't utilize it properly.
Yeah, you're right. And sometime bad people coming, they all time stealing here. So that time, sometime I'm upset for that. And you face this kind of problem?
Tyler, if I end it, are you gonna know how to add him? Because a lot of people don't PK me because they don't know how to.
Do you live with your family or alone?
I live with my kids. That's my family.
You don't have parent?
I mean, I have parents, they just don't live with me.
How many kids?
2.
I have a question if you don't mind.
Sure.
What is the perfect time to get married?
The proper time?
Yeah, I just want to know about your opinion. What do you think about it? What is the perfect time to get married, a boy or girl?
Oh, well, I think a good time to get married, really, like realistically, is around early 30s, late 20s. And I say that because when you're in your early 20s, I notice that when people get married too early, they don't get to enjoy certain parts of their life that they would have if they hadn't gotten married so early. And then they miss out on parts of their life. And then they end up having children younger. Things like that. I think it's better to marry when you're a little bit older. You're a little bit smarter, wiser. It's easier for you to distinguish what kind of behavior is tolerable and not tolerable. In our country, and I know this is a cultural thing because I researched it a lot because it kind of fascinates me, but in America, narcissistic personality disorder is really bad. It's a real thing. These kind of people are abusive. They kind of behave similar to people that are psychopaths, sociopaths. These kind of people, they take advantage of people. They manipulate. They prey. I don't know, and it's like a big problem here. That's why I emphasize later 20s, and I say it's easier to distinguish tolerable behavior, just because in this country there's such a problem with integrity and morality. Am I right? Don't please. It is not a man thing. It's a woman thing too. It's like people think, and I'll even say domestic violence. People think, like when you hear domestic violence, they think about women, but women and men statistically it's happening to men statistically just as much.
Okay.
Like small, teensy percent less. So it's not just like the men are narcissists. No, it's like there is a problem with inflation of ego in our society, and we just tolerate it and we think it's normal. And when I see other cultures, I don't see them acting the way Americans act.
Okay.